our channel. Today we are going to Umm Al Quwain Mangrove beach. You have to enter this way for free entry. You will not need a 4x4 car to reach this place. You can do barbecue and camping over here. Fishing and swimming is not allowed. This is a beautiful natural spot with bird scenery in Umm Al Quwain. If you enter through main entrance, then it is 20 AED per car. Free entry map is available in our description box. Do check it. Now we are moving to Umm Al Quwain beach. Here we can park our car near water. It's a very neat, clean, calm beach with less crowd. If you like our videos, do share and subscribe. Thank you.